You already know it's essential to clean your home regularly. But there's one part beyond the surface that's often looked over, and that is the air. Using an air purifier can help you make sure the air you breathe in is clean, but not all air purifiers are created equal. In this video, we are talking about and breaking down the 7 best air purifiers on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We are taking a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you're looking for an excellent value air purifier or the ultimate best one, we have an option for you. As always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are in the description below. For the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, make sure to check the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end, and don't miss anything. Starting off the list with Blue Air Blue Pure 211 Plus. This air purifier from Blue Air is best for removing various particles, including dust and smoke from the air. Its 3-part filtration system, one each for fabric, particles, and carbon particles, claims to clear up to 99% of common airborne pollutants. It's designed to cover up to 540 square feet, which is ideal for a family room, master bedroom, or a large office. Using just 60 watts on the highest fan speeds, the Blue Pure 211 Plus is more energy efficient as well. Also, now you don't have to sacrifice performance for noise. Using a specialized polypropylene filter media, the Blue Pure 211 Plus processes more air when running at lower fan speeds, resulting in more clean air and way less noise. It further comes with 2 different pre-filter colors included, blue and dark gray, and many other colors available to purchase separately. Its Swedish filter technology captures 99% of airborne pollutants like viruses, pollen, dust, pet dander, mold, bacteria, and more. Next we have Blue Air Blue Pure 411. Designed for rooms between 100 and 175 square feet, this is basically a smaller, more affordable version of Pure 211 Plus. At just $120 is a great value compared to larger, fancier air purifiers. The purifier claims to capture 99% of airborne pollutants, while the filter removes odors left behind from activities like cooking and smoking. It's designed for rooms between 100 and 175 square feet, so it's also great for college dorm rooms. Using just 1.5 watts, the Blue Pure 411 uses less energy. Now you can breathe and sleep easier with the Blue Pure 411 air purifier. With a simple, user-friendly one-button control, you can easily select from 3 different fan speeds, all of which help to remove allergy-causing pollutants and odors. The 3-stage filtration process starts with a colorful, washable pre-filter that captures larger particles like dust and pet hair. The air then passes through both a particle and activated carbon filter, which catches virtually every airborne particle. Up next we have Dyson Pure Cool DP04 HEPA. Using an HEPA filter, this Dyson air purifier claims to clear up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants, odors, and toxins, while adding tons of family-friendly extras. Unlike other fans, it has no accessible blades, so it's safer for small hands. There's also a nighttime mode and a sleep timer as part of its 10-speed settings. You can use the Dyson app to deliver real-time air quality reports that also include temperature and humidity. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Siri, which lets you control your machine and monitor air quality. In diffuse mode, the unique Dyson air valve protects air through the back of the device while maintaining effective purification. It further automatically monitors air quality for pollution events and initiate purification until the air quality improves. Dyson air purifier can oscillate at 45, 90, 180, or 350 to circulate air throughout the room, or direct the air exactly where you want it. Moving forward we have Coway Air Omega 400. This new model from Coway claims it covers up to 1,560 square feet, making it a great option if you need to purify the air in a bigger room or even an apartment. The brand says it cleans the air twice in an hour and reduces 99.97% of particles. There are 5 different modes to select from, including a sleep setting. It comes in black and white color options also. Coway Air Omega's pollution sensor communicates indoor air quality in real time. The brightly colored LED ring lets you know how clean or dirty your indoor air is every minute. With its smart mode feature, the Coway Air Omega automatically adapts to its surroundings by adjusting fan speeds based on the room's air quality. That means your unit is energy efficient without compromising efficacy. Air Omega further draws contaminated air from two sides and pushes filter air out the top of the unit, cleaning the air you breathe faster and more efficiently. Next product on the list is Honeywell HPA300. Honeywell's Air Purifier comes in 5 different sizes, the target rooms ranging from small 75 square feet to extra large 465 square feet. This model, the brand's most massive, claims to clean the air as often as 5 times an hour and remove up to 99.97% of super tiny airborne particles, including viruses. Since it's HEPA certified, this air purifier is excellent for allergies because it can remove fine particles and common allergens from the air. This air purifier works with a Honeywell A and A+ pre-filter. The pre-filter is the first level of filtration and helps capture large particles such as dust, lint, fibers, and pet fur, and helps to reduce VOCs and odors from cooking, smoke, bathrooms, and pets. This filter should be replaced every 3 months. The air purifier further has been independently tested to ensure it performs to the stated product claims for the suggested room size to reduce smoke, dust, and pollen. Up next we have Coway AP1512H. With an average 4.6-star rating across over 1,800 reviews, Amazon customers clearly love this air purifier. Like Coway's Air Omega, this model also has an LED light that always indicates how clean or dirty the air is. It's built to purify the air in up to 361 square feet. And there are even various fan speeds, timers, and modes to choose from, like an echo mode that claims to automatically save energy when it doesn't detect air pollution for 30 minutes. This air purifier is designed specifically for a living room, apartments, and middle-sized spaces. As part of the 4-stage filtration process, the bipolar ionizer generates an electrochemical reaction that reduces particles in the air. Also, the filter indicator alerts you to need filter changes. The mighty air purifier is compact by design, but it is equipped with cutting-edge features to keep your indoor air clean and equipped with a HEPA efficiency rating of 99.97%. It serves excellent when needed. And finally we have Dyson PureHot Plus Cool HP04. This triple-duty machine is a heater, fan, and air purifier all in one. It features all the same air purifying features as Dyson's PureCool model, but it also includes a heater to keep your family warm and toasty all winter. It syncs with Amazon Alexa through your Echo device and can also deliver real-time air quality reports through the Dyson app. Only Dyson purifying fans and heaters have air multiplier technology and 350 degrees oscillation to protect air around the whole room. The activated carbon filters remove gases. Sealed HEPA filters capture 99.97% of ultrafine particles, such as allergens and pollutants. It also automatically detects airborne particles and gases, then diagnoses and reports them in real time. The HP04 purifying space heater can also be used for long-range personal heating or fast, even room heating. It heats with thermostat control in the winter to bring the room up to the right temperature. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.